One of the perks of being a Bosch module member is that you receive exclusive discounts on Bosch quality training and are able to get some of that early access and insight into some of the new technologies that are going to be coming.
It is a program that covers a lot of areas, and the technician can continually upgrade their skills, which is critical. Bosch isn't one training program. It's a host of training programs that take the technician from here up to here.
Bosch offers training classes in ADAS, diesel, diagnostics, alternative drives, gasoline systems, electric and electrical systems, and more.
You know, every year just things are always new, especially technology-wise. My rep actually stopped by and he mentioned that there was a discount for attending the trainings and being part of the program. Just being able to see everything that we're able to do, how to diagnose the issues that are happening there, hands-on is always good.
I've really enjoyed the Bosch quality training and look forward to using it on a day-to-day basis.
The great thing about the Bosch partnership is they're working with the OEMs to create these systems in these new vehicles. So they're relying on their great local aftermarket shops to go ahead and fix these vehicles correctly.
This was my first time attending the Bosch training. Definitely encourage you guys to attend a Bosch training program. There's always something new to learn.
Entire day is focused not just around sitting in a classroom, it's also hands-on with the new technology, with the new scan tool.
We'd love to have you join us for one of our Bosch training classes to continue your journey, and we hope to see you soon.